Hello, and thanks for joining me to watch this screencast on Mastering Search. This segment will explore the Portal search engine, which is a quick and powerful tool for both navigation and locating content with precision and ease. We will discuss 3 different methods of search, tips for narrowing your results, and I will also touch on your browser's built-in find functionality. Let's get started. One of the most powerful yet easily missed features of the GroundShift portal is the search feature. Like Google, the portal has a search engine that indexes the entire site, enabling you to search and locate content in just seconds. In fact, search is often the quickest way to navigate to a specific page or document instead of clicking through folders. You can use the search to find just about anything on the site. For example, you can search for a document or page by its title, description, or using keywords that appear in the body of the document. You can also search for people, blog posts, projects, articles, and just about anything on the site that includes text. There are 3 types of search: instant search, which is the quickest and easiest way to navigate; full search, which gives you more control over your search criteria; and advanced search, which provides a plethora of options to help you narrow your search results. We're going to start by looking at the instant search option. A search box is always present in the upper right corner of the portal. To use instant search, simply click where it says Site Search and begin typing. When you click here, a blinking cursor will appear in the highlighted search box. As you type, the search results will be displayed in a drop-down list below. In this example, we will use the instant search feature to locate the seminar syllabus by typing just the first few letters of the word. Notice that a list of suggested results pops up instantly. This list is narrowed as we continue typing, searching pages for any of the consecutive letters that we have typed. You can search with just a few letters, whole words, or multiple words. Once you identify the item you are looking for on the instant drop-down list, click on it to navigate to that page, or right-click to open the destination in another tab. Search not only helps you locate content, but it also highlights the pages that you've located to identify your search terms. In this case, we searched for the words syllabus and research. You will see that each occurrence of these words has been highlighted on the page. This can also be very helpful when coding and reviewing research and transcription documents. Another great feature of instant search is the ability to limit the location of your search. For example, you might want to search for research questions, but only display results from within a specific project workspace. To do this, navigate to the folder or area that you would like to search within and check the box labeled Only in Current Section. This limits the search to the contents of the current folder or area and its subfolders within the site. While instant search is fast and easy, you might occasionally need the more robust features of the full search. To use this option, you begin the same way that you did with instant search. However, after typing in your initial criteria, press Enter on your keyboard or click the little green arrow to the right of the search box. This will bring you to the full search results page, which displays significantly more detailed information about the results than the instant search does. As with Google, the portal search engine makes use of a simple syntax that can be extremely helpful when trying to narrow your search results. Please note that these commands do not apply to the instant search. Here are a few of the examples of search syntax that can be really helpful. When you search using multiple words, search will automatically assume that you are using the AND criteria. For example, if I type the words Susan, Kyle, the search assumes that I'm looking for pages that contain both names. Alternately, I can use the OR criteria by typing OR in capital letters between the words. This will locate pages that have either Susan or Kyle. Notice the expanded list of results, as there are far more pages on this site with one of these names than there are with both of them together. You can also define criteria for items that you want to explicitly exclude from your search by placing a hyphen or dash at the beginning of a word. For example, if I type the names Kyle and Susan, and then I place a dash at the beginning of the word Susan, search will find pages that have only the name Kyle and do not include the name Susan. Lastly, you can search for an exact phrase or string of words by enclosing the criteria in quotes. Look what happens when I search for the phrase agents of institutional transformation, and I enclose the entire phrase in quotes. These individual words are used widely throughout the site. However, my results show that there is only one page that contains this exact phrase. While the full search gives you great control via the syntax, the advanced search gives you even more granular control over your results. Let's take a brief look at the advanced search. You can find a link to the advanced search page just below the search box, and also at the bottom of your instant search results. We won't go into the details here, but as you can see, the advanced search enables you to narrow your search with criteria such as content type, the date, the author, and the workflow status. Now that we've covered the three types of search within the portal, I want to make note of one other type of search that you are probably already familiar with, and that is the browser's find function. Every web browser, including Firefox, Safari, Chrome, and Internet Explorer, has a built-in search feature that enables you to find text on a given page. This can be very helpful when viewing a long page and trying to locate and jump to a particular section. If you are working on a Mac, you can access your browser's find function by pressing Command F or by looking under the Edit menu. In Firefox, which is the browser that I'm using for this demonstration, the find bar pops up here at the bottom of the window, while in Chrome, the find box appears in the upper right. On a PC, you would press Ctrl F or look under the Edit menu in Internet Explorer. For example, on the seminar syllabus, which is a very long page, I might want to find where it mentions the NAACP. As I start typing these letters in the find box, the browser immediately jumps down to the section of the syllabus that contains these words, and it highlights my search terms. If there are multiple occurrences of this term, the find bar lets me navigate between them. As you can see, the find function can save you a lot of time when looking for a word on a particular page. Well, that just about wraps up our segment on mastering search. Thanks for taking the time to watch this screencast. I hope that you have learned some useful hints that will help you to navigate more quickly and to locate content on the portal with greater precision. Remember, having a powerful search engine is one of the great benefits of storing and sharing information on a web portal, so use it often. Thank you.